Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We are back with another live stream. Turn down this music. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We are back Oh man. Let's just get the formalities out of the way. I blew up my Express accounts. I blew up my Express accounts like not last night, the night before, because I wasn't trading in the morning and I felt like I was missing out on moves, and because I was driving. So like later in the evening I traded, and your boy went on tilt and blew up those accounts. So ay caramba, frustrating, but trying to learn, you know what I mean? And this prop firm mentality gets me, you know. The prop firm fake money, even though I can make money from these fake accounts, it's not real money, so I tend to like trade it as if it's fake money still. And it messes me up, man. It messes me up. But we show up again, and I'll do my best to not go on tilt. You know, simple as that. It's not easy, especially when you got a community of like people who follow you now. Like, I mean, I put myself in this position. You know, we have almost 400 Discord members and 3,000 plus subscribers, and it's like I put the pressure on myself. Yeah, not easy. It's all good, boss. Trust though, prop mentality kills me too at times. 100%. Yeah, keep pushing. I am. Oh yeah, true. You're right. I thought the content does push into the Discord though. It does. It pushed in there. And I you know, people can join if they want to join, I guess. I don't know. The real ones will be here when they're here and they see it, you know? Because I don't know, guys. I'm just gonna be straight up because, you know, one, it's my YouTube channel, and two, I don't know. I just don't want to. Like this morning, I was deciding whether to go live or not. Like not because I blew up the Express accounts, but because I was like, do I want to trade today? Do I even want to trade? Or am I trading because I have a community and I have to like trade in front of them? Or am I trading because I want to trade? Or am I trading to prove something to myself? Like I had asked myself all of these questions. And this is real. You know, this is what the real conversation is like. Because at the end of the day, if I was consistently making 30 G's like I was on YouTube, 30 G's like I did in January into February, do I necessarily even need a community? Do I even care to have a community of people if I consistently make $30,000 a month with prop firms? If I ask myself that question deep down inside, nah, I can care less. You know what I mean? It's like, whatever, bro. Like I'm making 30 grand a month from trading. Do I care to carry a community? And if I can keep that in my heart, I think I'll do better. But I just overly pressure myself. So I kind of want to like reset the expectations for myself and reset the expectations for the community in my mind and trading in general. So, all right, enough of that. Just some weird vibes that I have in my mind about everything. And I just want to go back to trading live and having fun, you know, because simply put, that's all I care about is to have fun, trade live. I checked, but it's there. It just didn't get any notification. You know, I have push on YouTube, so you pop up on the phone. Ah, I see. I'll slap it in there. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. It is great to see, though. The community is now just shy of 400 people. Super cool to see that. and appreciate everybody that is a part of it. We just got approved for affiliate program with Perdia Capital, another prop firm that, from what I researched, has been around for quite a bit. They're doing payouts, and other reputable YouTubers support Perdia Capital. So I applied and we're locked in. So I'll probably purchase one. I have a deal that I closed with a client, and I'll take some of those funds and just buy a Perdia Capital account. But they seem pretty cool. I guess since we're here, let's take a look at it. Perdia Capital. Are you ready to become a pro trader in 2026? Daily instant payouts. So they're kind of like TPT. Oh, hold up. We got a little setup popping up on MNQ. I just had my alerts pop up. Right here is a 5-minute demand. I have to pee really bad, so I probably don't want to take this and then have to go pee and not be in front of my computer. So I'll let it run. There's a 5-minute demand here. Okay. Why can't I draw this out, man? Here you go. Okay, so there's a 5-minute demand right here, right? And then on the 5-minute, we're making higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high. So I'm suspecting this to be the next leg higher. But then also the 200 EMA is kind of moving upwards on my other screen. So yeah, but the market opens in 20 minutes, so I don't want to push it too hard. But yeah, Perdia Capital, 100K instant funding. Right now, 20% off. You can get basically a $3,000 account for $679 instant funding, which is pretty cool. You can get a $1,500 drawdown account, so it's a little bit less, but straight to funded for $349. Not mad at that. This is what's really cool is once you reach $2,000 for your first payout, no conditions after. So you got to make $2,000 for your first payout. And then after that, you can essentially just take out capital every single day as much as you want. Evaluations are pretty good. They're very simple. They don't overcomplicate it. They got these 3 choices. Nothing more, nothing less. $6,000 target for the 100K. $3,000 drawdown. This is the pro evaluation, and then the end of day drawdown evaluation, which is what I'm used to, end of day. This is the trailing intraday, so it's a little bit cheaper, as you can tell. This is the one I'll be choosing, which is 3,000 target, 2,000 end of day drawdown. There is a daily loss limit of $1,000, which it's whatever. I'm not too mad about that. And 5 minis, 5 micros, 5 minimum trading days, and then a 90-10 profit split. How do you get your first payout? After passing the evaluation, you receive a simulated funded account. You have to have at least 5 days above $200 to get your first payout. So it's a pretty good prop firm, in my opinion. I'm excited to use them. Use code SHACKMT if you are looking to purchase an account from Perdia Capital. I'm asking them for some free accounts to give away, so bear with me on that, and hopefully soon we'll have some account giveaways with them. I checked, but we growing. Are you trading off Tradeovate? I want to start learning how to do so and link 3 accounts. Yeah, 100%. I'm trading off of Tradeovate, Eric. I've got 2 accounts right now that I'll be trading here, and then I have my live account that I'll be trading too, my own live funds. But I won't talk about that as much because that's like, it's like real funded actual money. So here's the trade that's happening right now. If we want to do like a safe entry, it would be the break of the candle. So essentially, we'd want to enter in above this line here. Depending on how this 5-minute candle closes, break of the candle would be a valid entry, which would be above this 5-minute candle. So you'd enter in above this 5-minute candle and then stop below this 5-minute candle. But since market's about to open in 15 minutes, I'm not going to take this shot. Vamsy, what's up? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. All right, so there's 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle, and essentially if it stays below here, break of the candle, entry long, stops below here, is my new entry parameter that I'm trying to stick to. I won't take this one, but I'm just saying it out loud. Giveaways did not receive. Yeah, TX3 funded. Unfortunately, still hasn't done the what is it called? What is it called? Migrating. So they're migrating from where they're at to Project X, or they're going away from Project X to Tradeovate, I believe, and it's taking longer than expected. So sorry about that. I mean, I don't have control over it. Just stay with me. I already messaged him on Wednesday, and his update was they're waiting for the approval with Tradeovate. So they're not giving away any accounts. You're going to get a bigger account as opposed to a 50K account. You're going to get a 100K account because of the long wait. So I haven't forgotten about you. Everyone's gone in a free account. It's just that TX3 funded is going through this transition phase. So, all right. So technically speaking, if we wanted to take the trade, we'd be in right now on this 1 minute candle, and then stops below here. Obviously, we didn't take it. Yeah, I didn't go live at 9:30. I was contemplating whether I wanted to or not, and then I just did it. I didn't go right away. Appreciate the update. Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. TX3, they're doing their thing. You know, I keep up. I'm in their Discord. I see them doing their thing and paying out, but I know that they wanted to get away from Tradeovate or Project X. For whatever reason. I don't know what the reasons are. They didn't explain it to me, but most prop firms are going over to Tradeovate, except for like TopStep because they have their own thing. So just bear with us, or bear with them, I should say. Perdia Capital, like I said, they're new. I'm working on getting free accounts from them, and then I have a meeting with Funded Hero today. They have some things they want to roll out, and I haven't met with him in a week or so because I've been really busy driving and meetings and whatnot. So I scheduled a call with them today, and we're going to see how we can pump up the excitement and giveaways. I trust you, and I think I will get that giveaway. Yeah, if let's say worst case scenario, TX3 funded just ends up taking a crapper. I don't know. I will get you an account with Funded Hero, and I'll let them know what happened. I can't promise a 100K account, but I will promise an account. So, all right. Well, this account or this trade is still live. We'd be in, and then I'd be looking for swing high, which would be up here. See if we get it or not. But technically speaking, we'd be in on this trade if it wasn't so close to market open. Oh, flipped over, and it might be a losing trade. All right, well, I should probably use the restroom before we go. Before we get started, acting like we're like going on a journey. Take a look at gold real quick. I was looking at shorts up here on gold, but we didn't get up there. All right, I got a few minutes. Be right back. Yellow. Tradeify is cool. I like their branding. I already applied for them with them too. So Tradeify. The thing is, there's goods and bads in marketing in general. I'm not talking about Tradeify in general directly, but if a company is willing to partner with Izzy on their platform, they're willing to drop some cash, right? So if they're willing to drop cash, it means they're willing to do the right thing and spend the money in the right places to get more business. But that also puts their reputation on the line. So same with Izzy's reputation. So Izzy had to do his research and had to do, make sure he's not going to get in trouble. So there's like this mutual respect on having to be sponsored by somebody or to sponsor a prop firm. And I don't think Izzy is one of those people who's just going to say yes to everything. So if they're willing to do this, then you can trust Tradeify. So yeah, those are my thoughts. All right, this one would have been a losing trade, but that's why we don't take it so close to open. Take for sure. For shizzle, my nizzle. For whatever reason, I just remember to take my vitamins when I'm live. I don't know. It just comes to mind. All right, let's take a look at MGC. I was looking for shorts up in this 5-minute supply. And the reason being is the 200 EMA, which I don't have it on the screen, but the 200 EMA is just going downwards. Okay. And usually the 200 EMA is a good indicator to find the continuation of a move. And with the 200 starting to curl downwards through these higher highs or lower highs, it gives me a good indication that we want to go short. When the 200 EMA is flat and it's not going anywhere, that's a really tough place to trade. So hence why I was looking at longs on NQ, because the 200 EMA is curling upwards. So, but since we're so close to market open, really anything can happen. So we're just going to stay patient and see what arises. Been listening to a lot of podcasts. Well, obviously, because I drive for like 3 to 4 hours a day for my business. I have a lot of time in my hands while driving, and I listen to podcasts. And the one thing I keep listening to is AI, man. Freaking AI and the markets that, and how the markets will hopefully react because of AI. And it is a scary thing. Scary time to be alive, especially when we have agentic AI before us and what potentially will be the end of the human race. Oh, man. Well, market's about to open. Do me a favor here. If you haven't tapped the like button, tap the like button just to get more people to the stream and get the algorithm juices flowing. And then 2, if you haven't done so, hit the subscribe button. I'll be coming out with some educational videos of my setup and everything that I look for, some psychology videos. And then 3, we have a free Discord community. It's in the description below or pinned comments above. Completely free, and just getting people together and trading together. People have their own styles of trading, and everyone kind of does their own thing for now. I'll be creating my setup in the Discord, like a section of like content of how I take my setup, why I take my setup, and hopefully have the Discord start to align and we start taking the same setups together. So that is that. All right, guys, market's about to open. 2 minutes. So this Jaguar that I bought to flip, I've got offers for like $6,000, $6,500. Paid $3,000 for it. I just don't want to sell it for some reason. It's been really nice to drive. And 2 days ago, I was offered a trade for a 1999 Ford Mustang. It was like low miles, manual, mint condition, convertible. And I was like, look, dude, I'll do it, but you got to give me $1,000. And he didn't want to give me $1,000 because if he gave me $1,000 for the trade, that means I would be paying $2,000 for a Ford Mustang in mint condition but he didn't want to do it. So did you talk about the TX3? Yes, I did. They're going from Project X to Tradeovate, so they're in a transition. They're hoping that the beginning of March that they'll be ready to go. So just stand by. They should be good to go. Well, hopefully. I messaged them this week, and they're just waiting for the beginning of March. A transition like that's pretty serious, you know. All right, market open here. All right, NQ is selling off. And we had the break of structure, which is pretty nice. This 5-minute candle closed below multiple swing lows. So what we'll do is just make sure that we're going to be in a 1-hour supply. So we'll draw out our 1-hour supply. Very nice. And then we'll go down to our 5-minute. And if we want to see a continuation, would love to see a retracement back up in here, but I don't know if we're going to get that. Sorry, I'm looking at my other chart too to make sure I see everything. Potentially looking at this short here. It's coming up pretty fast. I don't know. But the 13 EMA is there. All right. All right, we're just continuing lower, which is all good. We'll hope to wait for a retracement. Gold is continuing the sell-off too. Excuse me. Bro, my phone keeps thinking I'm saying Siri. Siri, stop listening to me. Not talking to you, Siri. Bro, NQ decided to dump here. Are you copy trading, Shaq? Yes, I'll be copy trading to Lucid accounts. Holy cannoli. You're going down. My mind's like, okay, you got to look for longs now, Shaq, you know, and that is not what I want to think. I mean, potentially we can catch the retracement higher, but I don't want to take that risk, so I want to catch a retracement higher and then take it short. It's just the question is, where do we go short? Yo, gold did a fake out. Look at this. Look at this 5-minute candle. Dropped. Likely long on gold now since it tapped the daily gap, but not sure. Yeah, I'd be interested in longs at this point with this 5-minute candle. It didn't break structure, essentially. It held. So if we get a 5-minute candle above this swing low or swing high, then I'd be switching to look for longs. Excuse me. Managed to catch gold. Nice, bro. Okay, and NQ is just going to continue the sell-off, which is cray-cray. That being said, there is high probability chance of just a bounce. A bounce here. I'm going to set my alerts. Now I'm going to watch gold, and if this 5-minute candle closes and engulfs this swing high, I will look for longs. No, why do you do that? Gold did not hold.
Order filled.
I'm only risking 100 or so bucks on this.
Stop filled.
All right, we got stopped out. I took the chance short because it failed to make the swing high, break the swing high. So thought we were gonna get the continuation lower, but nope. Again, if it breaks above this swing high, stays above there, then I'd be interested in going long. If it fails short again, then I think we get the continuation. That's right, yeah. When you're trading on Trade of 8, you can't copy trade. Or sorry, when you're trading on TradingView, you can't copy trade your accounts on Trading. Your Trade of 8 accounts, you can't copy trade on TradingView. You have to copy trade on Trade of 8 for it to work. Sorry for that. Weird answer there. All these boxes are full. For whatever reason, it. All right, so gold. If it breaks above here, we'll look for longs. NQ. Still continuing short. There hasn't been much of a retracement on the 5-minute. Could have taken the scalp on the 1, but I don't want to take those shots yet. On gold. I'm going long on gold, see if we get filled.
Order filled.
All right, we are long on gold. We have that break of this swing high. Not the clearest stop position to be in right now. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Am I getting chopped up here? There's not a clean area of entry for gold, to be honest. But we had the break of the swing high, which is what got me interested to go long. We're not in the clear yet, Rysel. It's still chopping around here, playing some games, so we'll see if it holds. The 200 is still kind of aiming downwards, so there's still risk that we push lower. Excuse me. Movement went from roller coaster to choppy. Yeah, 100%. Not a joke right now. Not a joke. There is a 5-minute supply right here that is concerning to me. Don't know if we're going to get it. "25 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. We're having a little bit of issues. We're kind of stuck in this range. NQ is making its continuation lower. All right, well, I'm going to give this one more chance. If gold comes down here, breaks this wick, pushes up higher, I'm going to move my stops up because I don't want to be caught in this all day long. On the 1 minute, the EMAs are getting tight. The 200 and the 13 are getting close to trying to cross, which causes this sort of choppiness. So I don't want to be a part of it. If it breaks below this wick and comes back up, I'm going to move my stops up. Abdul, what's up? Just joined. What do you think about S&P 500? S&P 500's like overall, you know, macroeconomics, there's just a lot going on. With analysis, because NQ and S&P 500 sort of trade the same. But as of right now, I don't know if I'm going to go like long term on NQ or S&P just yet. If we make lows back into like 6,500 on the S&P 500, I'll look to buy like on my personal account cash. All right, so NQ coming back down, or gold's coming back down. This is the point where I said I'm gonna move up. If it breaks this swing low here, pushes higher, I'm gonna start moving my stops higher. Dang. Ay caramba. Gold is choppy today. Really want to see this next 1 minute candle push. Probably going to get stopped out. There's 1 minute left on this 5 minute candle. I'm going to add in if it starts going in our direction.
Stop filled.
Stops are below this 5 minute candle now. Doesn't look like we're gonna hold, everybody. It's having issues. Oh yeah, we're getting stopped out. Geneva nuclear talks. I don't know if that's coming out or if that's today. I generally only worry about red folder news.
Order filled.
All right, close the trade out. Down $500 on these evals. I haven't taken anything on my live account. But yeah, this is pretty choppy. And I don't want to be a part of it. I'd rather just get out when I see it going in the wrong direction and wait. All right, so NQ never came up to our area of entry for shorts. Nice. Okay, well, gold's... It will suck if this thing rips higher on gold, but I am teaching myself to get out of a trade when I think I should get out, you know, based on what I'm seeing, candles and everything, just getting out. And why? Because I've learned that I listened to Tom Hugar and some of these like pro traders, and when it's not going in the direction and things aren't like looking good, they get out. You know, why wait for the stop loss? And that's what I did. So I just get out. So then we can reassess later. But we would have gotten stopped out there. Gold is acting like it wants to go higher. And every time it pushes higher, it gets sold off. I have a feeling that it wants to go short. Trapping everybody trying to go long. Like me. Every time I tried to go long here, added in, it kept selling off. Even though we have a break of the structure, it's pretty tricky right now. There it goes. Pumps up. Gold definitely wants to just drop. Every pump up, it just drops. It's like, okay, Shaq, flip your bias. Let's go short. But I also don't want to get caught with it going short and then all of a sudden it flips long again. So like I'm a little hesitant because the longs looked good. Well, the shorts looked good in the beginning and then it went long. So then I went long because they started to look good long. And then now if I go short and then it flips long, I'm going to be done. I'm going to be frustrated. The good thing that the good thing about NQ is that it chose a direction. You know, can't be mad at the fact that NQ chose where it wants to go. Down. There's no doubt about that. NQ just wants to go downwards, and that's good. I'd rather that than choppiness. Lots of momentum to the downside, which is all good with us. Dang, gold is pumping back up. See what I'm saying? Imagine if I tried to go short, now it's going long. If I try to go long and then it starts going short again, bruh. Yo, come on, gold. That is cray-cray. I'm good on gold. Hey. All right, Eric, do your thing, bro. Yo, Anish, appreciate the sub, brother. Sub. Gold is still a chop fest. I am so glad we got out of gold. I'm left with 34 US dollars, was chasing the candle. I feel you, bro. I feel you. I know how that feels, man. Not fun. NQ is a risky trade for me. There's not much confluence to go long yet. But with the strong sell-off all morning for the next 30 minutes, or for the last 30 minutes, I'm looking for longs. I'm going to take the stab long on the evals. You have multiple 5-minute candles. See all these 5-minute candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red candles. They're getting smaller and tighter, so price action is getting really like tight. Buyers and sellers are coming to equal point. And I think that momentum is going to shift in this 1 hour demand. So that's my thesis. And we shall see. I got a buy stop here above these 1-minute candles. There's 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle, and I'm going to see if it flips green. Nope. Just continuing lower. Got 30 seconds left here. Screw gold, man. Gold is just chopping. Oh, man. I'm glad that we just closed out on gold. Maybe a minute, 1 minute candle comes down here and sweeps the low. The butcher's cooking up on gold 100%. Just watched Danny Trades crash out on going against the trend. Oh, jeez. He bought the dip, but it kept dipping, huh? That's the tough part. Brad, what up, what up? The dip, when the dip keeps dipping, you put your hand up on my head. When you dip, we dip, we dip. That's what NQ's singing this morning. It's like, yo, I'm just gonna keep dipping today, alright? And look, it's just continuing the dip. No way, dude. No way. All right, we're canceling that out. Was up 3K for the day and kept buying and preaching to always follow the trend. Danny crashed out, man. I feel you though. I crash out sometimes. I don't like the fact that I can't stretch out this box. Okay, does this mean... Hold on. Does the hand mean I'm stretching it out? No, it's that. Okay. I'm looking for longs, unfortunately, because this is a crazy sell-off. And it's like, is it going to continue? And it continues, you know? And then now I'm like, oh, if it continues, let me try going long, or let me try going short now. Let's try to catch the continuation short. And then I get stopped out because if reverses long. That's what's going through my head right now. So I feel more confident waiting for longs, because inevitably there will be some sort of retracement. Okay, that's a given. There's always some sort of retracement after a sell-off like this. It's just a matter of when, and when are you going to catch it, or if you can catch it. Goodness, man. Seriously? Serially? It is continuing off. We got a 1 hour demand right here. That we are now in with the 200 on the 1 hour. Crazy. If there's going to be a bounce, I think it's going to be here, just because of the 100 or the 1 hour, and then also a 200 EMA sitting right there. So I'm going to take a risky buy. Womp womp. Yeah, how we looking today? Yeah, NQ's selling off. Gold is chopping. It's chop city, chop suey. And NQ is just... Yo, what the heck, bro? Insane. Yeah, I want to go short, but like the chances of it flipping right now on me would be... I would be so mad, bro. Like, I would be so mad if I tried going short on NQ. And then it just flips on me. Oh, bro. So I'm not trying to catch a falling knife. I'm trying to wait for that moment. All right, so gold is starting to dump now too. Thanks, Munish. Gold finally chose a direction, and it wants to go lower. From what it looks like, we shall see. I'm going to set an alert to see if it does a retracement after this 5-minute candle close. Okay, within Q. Okay, guys. This 1 hour demand box, if it reclaims this 1 hour demand box, I will look to go long. But you need to reclaim this 1 hour box. I have no words right now, guys. I have no words. I could possibly take it, but it's a risk. Dang, anybody that went short this morning is balling right now, bro. They are balling. I don't even know what to say. I mean, can it tap this box right here? There's another 1 hour demand that kind of sketch, but right here. My gosh, bro. Insane. Our retracements don't always happen. You know what I mean? And that's what's frustrating. Unfortunately, I have no balling. You caught some move, bro. You caught some of the move. I haven't seen Dylan, and Will was here like early in the morning, but all right. So gold tapped a 1 minute demand. I don't really trade 1 minute demands, and it's starting to retrace. Bro, gold is... So there's this 5 minute supply that formed right here. Man, I don't know if I want to take it or not, or try to go short here. Yeah, lucid eval. You know what? Screw it. Let's give it a shot. Super tight stop on the 1 minute handle. Only 3 micros. Looking for the swing low here. Yeah, for shorts, 51.152. This swing low of this candle for shorts, but might not get it here. I gotta run. Just want to say, what's up, bro? Hope you have a great day. I learned a lot from my YouTube live thing I did, bro. I'll tell you what, sounds good, bro. Have a good day, and thanks for jumping on. Take care. Drive safe. Chase, you got this. Hey, but let's see. Let's see.
Stop filled.
All right, I'm lowering my risk. I added in and lowered my risk, so we're risking around $250 now. Come on, man. Come on and flush. I was in short on GC, stopped me out, so I switched my thought, and I took another loss. Gold is doing that to a lot of people today, man. Crap, my picture just fell off the wall and scared the crap out of me. You just saw that live. Let me see what I look like. What the heck, dude? That scared the crap out of me. The frame broke. Dude, my heart is pounding right now. Well, let me see what it looked like live. We're about to get stopped out. Come on and flush, bro. You jumped. Bro. It wants the dump, but there's a good chance that this thing just rides up high, jumps up high, and then stops me out. It might go lower. Where's that moment live? All right, we're moving to break even here. All right, I'm jumping out the trade. Nice dub there, everybody. Nice dub. Holy cannoli. All right, well, that was a nice dub that we just took. Oh, here it is. It's about to drop. I'm watching myself on my YouTube, on the YouTube live, like replay. I'm like so unsuspecting of it. You guys heard the bang too? Hold on. It's like slowly dropping, bro. It's hanging on a thread. I thought you were getting swatted. Swatted for what? So swatted for what? Oh, I missed it. I missed it. Drop. Oh man, that is crazy, bro. Crazy. All right, well, we got the dub on that, which is sweet. We made back our losses plus some. Now I like NQ longs. I'm not even gonna think about it. I'm in. Taking the thing long. Now I'm not even gonna think twice. Just get in. If we lose this, I'm gonna probably call it a day. But it's just the evals. I'm copy trading 2 evals right now. The reason why I took it is because we bounced off a 1 hour demand here on the 1 minute, and that's pretty much it. there's not much more confluence than that, unfortunately. But I'm in a mood of just taking the trade, and it's an eval, so it's just like it's whatever. Trying to catch the $1,000 for the day, or the 1,500. Oh, you're on a demo. Yes, aka eval, aka demo. Dang, gold's coming back up. That's crazy. I mean, it might continue lower. It just might be a retracement. But yeah, we took what was there, got out at that swing low on the wick, and moved on. So I'm basically risking the profits for the day on NQ to try to make 1,000. Looks like we're cooked.
Stop filled.
We gave back all the profits. Oh, that's funny. And I'm totally fine with because it's just an EVA. Could we retrace from here? Yes. I'm still long on gold in this level. Yeah, I'm trading 2. You switched the demo on gold and got a $560 profit. Let's go.
Stop filled.
All right, my last shot for the day. On the 1 minute, if we break above this swing high, we'll look pretty good. I'd potentially look for gold shorts, but I'm already in here. Got 36 seconds left. Trying to decide whether just to close out because of the volatility. Ten, 11, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We closed. We're in a 1 minute supply now. Could we continue the breakout? Possibly. I'm going to move myself to break even, or yeah, break even.
Order filled.
All right, I closed out. That is $899 for the day. Question to myself is, do I take the long back into this demand? Very nice W for the day. Thank you so much. Yeah, glad we got a W on that. Old shorts look interesting to me. If it pulls back on gold and reclaims the 13 EMA, I'll look for shorts. Excuse me. All right, gold wants to continue higher, which is nice. I want to take this long in this 5-minute demand within this 1 hour demand if we get it. Okay, so gold broke that supply. It broke the new swing high. I'm gonna go to sleep, manifesting you get more W's before ending session, bro. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. And get some rest. Thanks, man. Well, it didn't get the retracement that we were looking for. Crazy. Same with NQ, man. My goodness. About to call it a day, everybody. Goliath Designs. Full name. Doing good, Bren. Good, Bren. Doing good, man. Doing good. Oh my gosh. Doing good, man. That's how my day's going. Oh, man. Hope you're doing good, bro. Thanks for joining on. Papa Bear, what's up, bro? I'm looking to see if NQ will come back to our demand area for potential longs, but IDK. Yeah. Gold longs look interesting to me until pullback of 5188. And Q's just chopping on the 1 minute. I don't want to be a part of that.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Took the short on gold into our area of demand where we want to go long was the thought. I'm gonna move myself to break even because I don't want to be a part of it. On the 5 minute, we're hitting the 200 EMA, 13 EMAs below that. So there's a chance that this thing just reverses and higher. KNT, what's up, man? Put myself into a little bit of profit. Ponky, what's up? Really struggling to push lower here, so to a little profit for
Order filled.
All right. I took it off there. Got close to our demand area. Tapped a 13 EMA also. So I didn't want to lose out on any opportunity for some profits there.
Order rejected. Order filled.
My buy stop didn't get filled, and I wanted to catch this long,
Stop filled. Stop filled.
which is all good. Well, if this candle grabs the 13 EMA, I'm going to take it short. This 5-minute candle. So I'll wait to see if that happens.
Stop filled. Order filled.
What?
Order filled.
I don't know what just happened there, but all right. I'm a little bit. I might go on tilt here because I don't know what just happened there. I said I put an order for sells, or an order for a sell limit, and then it just said order filled. So I should probably lock myself out. Just needed to make the 400 for the day.
Order filled. Stop filled. Stop filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
What? I don't understand why I click that and it buys more. That's not what I'm trying to do. Oh, I put buy market. I'm on the wrong side. Ay caramba. Alright, well now I'm risking $500, which is scary, but it's whatever. Ugh. EMAs are getting tight on the 5-minute. Trying to cross, but that also is a problem because price tends to get very choppy there. So if the 13 EMA rejects the 200 and doesn't cross, then we're going lower. Don't like this. I don't like it at all. This last 1 minute candle, this 5 minute candle either pushes or going lower. Got 30 seconds left. $14, $13. You want to close above here. 5 minute, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we got a nice close above that level. Let's see if we push higher. I'm gonna lower my stops now to here. We're risking $211 now. Get the breakout. Very nice. We need to wait for TP. I'm going to break even now. EMAs are very close to crossing on the 200 or on the 5 minute, but chance that it rejects and goes short. So I'm just gonna be at break even or TP. NQ selling off. So close to TP. My TP is not the greatest area. Yo, that was stupid. Or possibly can still get stopped out, so. All right, new 5-minute candle opened up. EMAs are crossing. Should get the push here, hopefully. If you're still watching this far and you haven't tapped the like button, it means so much to me if you do. Helps the stream out, helps the algorithm juices flow, and it mean a lot. Don't think we're gonna get it. We're so close. All right, the 13 and the 200 are starting to cross. See if we get the breakout. See if we get the breakout. Come on and break out. Agonizing. Bruh. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on and break. Breakout. Oh my gosh, get filled. Dude, come on, bro.
Order filled.
All right. All right, well, that was a long trade, everybody. Very long trade. We hit the 1,500 for the Lucid accounts for today. Bit of a roller coaster, if I may say so myself. Yeah, not too bad. We did it. Now we just move on with the rest of our day. Hey guys, I appreciate you watching. Hopefully you found some insights and learned a little bit from anything of my mistakes. We'll do this again hopefully tomorrow. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.